So this is the start project that you have made a copy of from the studio. So at the moment it's blank. Now we're going to create a project where we're going to show the different states of matter when we move the glass to the different colors. So we're going to come down here to the events, and we're going to get when the green flag is clicked. And then we're going to go to looks, and we're going to come here to switch costume, and we're going to switch to glass water. So when I click the green flag, it's going to make sure the glass looks like it has water in it, a liquid. Then we're going to come to motion, and we're going to come down to go to, and we're going to change the X box to 0, and we're going to change the Y number to 50. So this will make the glass always go and start in the same place whenever we click the green flag. Now we're going to use a loop. So I'm going to come down to the control, and this time we're going to use a forever loop, meaning it's going to go on forever and ever and ever, keep on going the same thing. And then we're going to come and get a condition. So if what I put in this space happens, then it's going to run this code. Now we're going to check to see if it's touching the background colors. So we're going to come down and go to sensing. And we want to go to if touching color. So touching color. So I'm going to put that inside that space. So it says if touching this color. But I don't have this color in my background. So I'm going to change this color by clicking it. Then I'm coming down to the color picker here at the bottom. And I'm going to go on to my background. I want this blue color here. I'm going to click it. And now that will be exactly the same color. So I don't need to guess. I don't need to try and use the sliders. It will pick the exact color. So if it touches the blue color, I want it to show the costume for the ice. So now I'm going to go back to the look. I'm going to switch costume. I'm going to make sure it says glass ice. And I'll put this inside here. So it's going to keep on checking, keep on checking, keep on checking. And if it touches the blue, it's going to change color. So let me press the green flag. If I move the glass, is it touching blue now? No. But if I move it to touch blue, it's going to change to the picture to show the ice. Okay. Now at the moment, it's not going to change because I haven't set anything else up for the other colors. So that's not going to happen yet. So I'm going to bring this box out, and I'm going to duplicate. Now on a Chromebook, you can do a 2-finger tap. And then you'll get this come up, and I can duplicate, make a copy, and put that underneath. But I don't want it to be this color now, do I? I want to change the color. So I'm going to click on the color here. I'm going to choose my color picker again. This time I'm going to choose the white color. And do I want it to show a glass of ice when it's in normal temperature? No, I want it to be normal. So I'm going to make it so it's a glass of water. Okay. So when it touches blue, it's going to show the glass of ice. When it touches, so that's the freezing zone of blue. When it's in white, it's normal room temperature, white. It will show a normal glass of water. And now I'm going to duplicate this again. I'm going to change the color again. Remember, color picker. I'm going to come across, and this time I'm going to get the red. And I'm going to change so it looks like steam now. Now, you see, these are underneath each other. So this one will check for blue. If it touches the blue, it will turn to a glass of ice. If it touches the white, it will turn to a glass of water. If it touches the red, it will turn to a glass of steam. So these are underneath each other, these conditions. And I'm going to put all of these inside this forever loop. So it will keep checking for these things to happen. And when they happen, then it will change. So let me press the green flag. So at the moment it's touching white, so it's going to show water. If I move it to the blue, it's touching the blue, it's going to show ice. If I move it back to white, it's going to show back water. If I move it now to the red, touching the red, it's going to show it's turning into steam, into a gas. So by moving it into the different colors, it's showing the different states of the ice, the water, the steam, the solid, liquid, and gas. So this is our little project to show that it is showing the different states